Hi, my name is Johan Alexis, and today I'm going to talk about my last vacation. On my last vacation, me and my family traveled to Ocho Rios. That city is situated in Jamaica. I loved this vacation because I experienced an memorable experience. First of all, the hotel where we were host was was Jamaica Inn. In Jamaica Inn, we had all included the activities that we could do were too much without in underwater on the Ocho Rios by beach. Also, we visited a mini museum where we learned about the local history of Jamaica and swam in the hotel pool. Food was the best part. We tasted a lot of food, but my favorite was the jerk chicken. The chicken is cooking with a special blend of cinnamon, clove, ginger, thyme, garlic, pepper, and nutmeg. It is delicious. Talking about desserts, my favorite was the quesadillas. It is basic a small crunchy base filled with spiced sweet coconut. The means of transport that we used was a car. My father rented one in the airport, and in this way we could move throughout the city. Ocho Rios is a cute city. People are in the business, and it's very normal to observe by natives smoking weed. The city is very colorful and the infrastructure is very happy. In the street, you can observe a lot of craftsmen selling handcraft, kitchens, and servants. Also, it is very normal to see a lot of restaurants and bars open until late hours without any danger. The water in Jamaica is very wet. When we stayed in the country, the temperature oscillates between 34 degrees and 22 degrees Celsius. For these reasons, we always wore fresh clothing. In my case, I wore board shorts, tank tops, and sandals. Okay, this was my trip to Jamaica. Thanks for your attention.